What? Got me a flower?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Happy Easter to you. Go down in there, Zay.
Daddy! Superman!
Come on, Zeek. Where are you going? Zeke's go over there on the hill. Go over this way. Come on. Zeke! Zeke, out! Little shithead. What is that, dirt? Huh?
Yeah, I tried to jump it.
What's he doing? Going up it? Is it dirt? Can he go up it? He needs to get some motor ones. Maybe next year. Well, I'll get you some motor ones next year.
I just made it up the hill.
Yep, go. Go. Go, Zay, go. Push it. Hit the button. Go on, go. You're going to go down the hill. Hit the button.
No.
You're put.
Like that.
All right, hold on here. You're scared to go down it?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Daddy, watch out.
Go back and do it again. You gotta go faster.
Alright, more speed and more power.
All right. You jumped crazy. What'd you think you were gonna do? Be careful.
Oh, that was
All right,
pretty
go.
funny.
Silly.
All right, that was pretty funny, dude. I just jumped a big old hit.
I know you did.
Good job, Mr. Underpants.
Well, you gotta be careful, not so fast.
That's pretty funny. Hey, Daddy. 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 Daddy.
What?
Daddy. Daddy.
What?
Daddy, give me up this head.
Well, it ain't got no power. It's just a little battery operated little thing. No, you'll fall. Come on, turn. We're gonna go for a walk. Come on.